Hello, my name is Shafan. I am here recording week 1 lab video for overview of anatomy. I'll be naming the anatomical regions of our body. Today is March 11th, and I will go ahead and get started. I will be using this for our pointing out the regions of our body and also using my face on some of them. Some of the terms also. So to start off, we have our abdominal, which is our stomach area. We have our acromial, which is our shoulder area. We have our antebrachial, which is our forearm, this lower part of the arm. We have our axillary, which is our armpit. You can see it on both the back side and the front side. We have our brachial, which is actually our upper arm. You can see on both the brachial. The buccal, which is our cheek. The calcaneal, which would be our heel, which would be on the back side of the anatomical position. We have our carpal, which is our wrist, so that would be in this area here. We have our cephalic, which is our head, so head. We have our cervical, which would be our neck area. Most of the time they show it on the back portion of here, so it would be the back portion since this is our throat, so our neck would be our cervical. Our coxal, which is our hip area, which is right in here. We have our crural, that is our lower leg, which is right down here. We have our digital, which is actually the tip of our fingers. We have our femoral, which is our femur, so that would be your thigh area. The fibular, which is the, it's actually a bone in the shin, so it's to the outside of the shin, so it would be like right in here. The frontal, which is our forehead. The gluteal, which is the buttocks. The hallux, which is our big toe, which would be right over here. The inguinal, which is our groin, which is right in here. Lumbar, which is our lower back, that's right in this area. A little bit higher right in that area. Our magnets, which is our hands. Mental, which is our chin, which I don't get that term. Whenever you think mental, you think brain, but I guess they chose cranial for brain. You have your nasal, which is our nose. Our occipital, which is the back of our, it's in the back of our head. It kind of is the curved area right here, the bone right here. The olecranial, which is the back of the elbow. Our oral, which is our mouth. The orbital, which is the eyes. Otic, our ears. Palmar is our palms, so right in here on the picture would be here. Patellar is our kneecap, this area here. The pedal, which is our foot, that would be here. Makes sense when you pedal a bike, you use your foot. Plantar is the sole of the foot, which would be right under. The pollux is our thumb. The popliteal, which is the back of the knee, so this area right in here. The sacral, which is our butt bone, right in this area, right above the crack of the buttocks. The scapular, which is like the shoulder blade area, so that's like right in here. The sternal is our sternum, the center of our chest, so on here it would be right in this area going up and down. The sural is our calf, so that would be right back here, the back of the calf. The tarsal, which is our ankle, so on both views you can see it. Thoracic is our chest area, so right in here. Umbilical, everybody should know where the umbilical cord is cut, through our belly button. And the vertebral is our spine, so that would be right in the center of the back, right back here. That there is the last term that they have for the anatomical regions of our body. That is week 1 lab video, overview of anatomy, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you.